What is happening? What is going on? You absolute bunch of legends. What I'm going to do in this video is I thought I would pack in 3 very basic but also still very important tips, tricks and things to do in Blender for absolute beginners. So if you are an absolute beginner, you will use these 3 things pretty much in probably most of your renders, if not all 3 in the same renders. So thought I would just show you and make it into one video. So let's jump into it. So first one you want to do is I'm just going to go Shift A. I'm going to go to Mesh and I'm going to add a cube. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to add loop cuts in Blender, because you'll see in some tutorials people will be like, the person explaining will be like, making a tutorial will be like, well, just add loop cuts, and it's like kind of basic but you don't know how to do it. And I thought I would just show you how to do it, and it can be pretty useful in the future. So what you want to do is you want to select your object, hit tab, which will go to edit mode, and then you want to go down to loop cut tools, so you can click there, and then what you want to do is hit Control R and move the cursor, and now you can add a loop cut there, and you can add a loop cut there, and you can add a loop cut there. And if you want, I can just go back, so I can go back like that. And let's go back one more. So if you add a loop cut like that, you can just click here and you can add how many you want. So let's say I want 10 loop cuts. Boom, that's 10 like that. You can increase it like this, and then you can go out of tab. If you go back to tab, you can see you've got your loop cuts. You can do loop cuts vertically, horizontally, and yeah, you can add more there as well. So you can go 10 as well, and you've got loop cuts like that, and it's that easy. So yeah, you can add it on the top, you can add it anywhere you want. So it'll come in handy if you want to like do like vertices, edges and that kind of stuff. So loop cuts are pretty powerful. So I thought I would just show you how to do that. So that is tip number 1. Let's delete our cube. Now I want to show you how to merge vertices together. So you're going to add another cube. So Shift A, Mesh, and we're going to get a cube. I'm just going to go here, so I'm going to scale it up a little bit. Hit tab to go to edit mode. Okay, and make sure that you are in vertices select mode, vertex select mode, same thing. And then what you want to do is you want to select all these top things. So you're going to click it, hold down shift, hold down shift, hold down shift. And then what you want to do is go to mesh, and you're going to look for merge. And you can merge wherever you want. So it's center, cursor, and then you can select that center, and it creates a nice pyramid, or yeah, a triangle, pyramid, same thing. So you can see there, gives you merging at the center. So it merges obviously at the center of all 3 vertices, or all 4 as I should say, sorry. Or you can choose cursor, so you can click here and you can change this to cursor, and it will, where your cursor is, it will select it there. Or you can collapse, just leave it like that. So yeah, that is how it is, easier it is to do in Blender. You can merge like that. It's pretty, you won't use this one as much as the loop cuts in my opinion, but it's still a good thing to know. And now I'm going to show you the last one. So I'm just going to go to tab, I'm going to delete, and I'm going to go Shift A, and I'm going to get another cube. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to subdivide, which is something you're going to use quite a lot. You can use it on like a plane, you can use it, not an aeroplane, a normal plane, like a Shift A mesh plane, that one, and you can use it on this. So all you do is you click tab, and you just right click and you click subdivide, and that subdivide, it kind of like adds loop cuts, like the same thing, and you can then change number of cuts, let's say 50, and it adds 50 cuts, which is a bit of overkill. And this allows you to kind of, you can see if I select the face, it allows you to select them like that and have a bit more freedom to have more vertices. It's also good to subdivide like your plane when you want like high quality detailed renders, and like if you're using like grass add-ons or material add-ons, if you subdivide it makes it look a lot better. So you want to subdivide, but you don't want to overkill either. You want to subdivide it so that it allows your computer to still run pretty smoothly. So those are 3 very basic Blender tips, tricks I thought I would just share with you in one video. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy these kind of videos. I will do more of these. I could make one video per explanation, but I thought I would just pack this into a little bit more of a longer video, and it will help you guys to get it all in one instead of having to watch different videos. So hopefully you enjoy these kind of style videos. I'll be making more of them. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for the support on the channel. Peace.